For today's vlog, ang ating topic is about frozen videos, frozen views, and frozen revenues. Hey superstars! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Legaspi, and muli meron na naman tayong bagong tutorial for today. So today, it's a Monday, so it's a Monday tutorial vlog day. Okay? So, for today's vlog, ang ating topic is about frozen videos, frozen views, and frozen revenues. This past few weeks, guys, marami ako naririnig about frozen video views. So, yung mga views na hindi updated sa YouTube channel. Okay? So, sa YouTube studio natin, updated doon, pero yung public YouTube channel natin, iba yung views na nakikita doon ng mga viewers, no? So, pagka ganun, ibig sabihin nun, frozen yung iyong videos. Okay? So, I did some research about that, and merong sagot sa YouTube kung bakit nga ba na-frozen yung ating mga views, yung ating mga videos, and yung ating mga revenues. Stay tuned kasi I'm going to give tips and tricks kung paano natin masusolusyonan yung frozen video views na yan. Bago tayo pumunta sa ating tutorial, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and also comment down below kung meron kang katanungan, kung meron kang suggestion for my next vlog. And also, don't forget to hit that bell button na rin para malay kang notified sa mga bago nating uploads. Okay, so without further ado, tara na guys sa aking laptop, and I'm going to show you kung ano yung sagot ni YouTube about sa mga frozen video views and frozen revenue natin. And also, I'm going to show you to you kung paano natin masusolusyonan yung frozen videos mo.
Okay, so ayan guys, nandito tayo sa aking laptop, and ito nga yung na-research ko, sagot ni YouTube kung bakit nga ba hindi ganun kabilis or hindi live yung update ng ating views sa studio natin and sa YouTube channel natin. Okay? So, ang sabi, how engagement metrics are counted. So, YouTube engagement metrics, views, likes, dislikes, and subscriptions reflect how many times a video or channel has been interacted with. These metrics can be an important measure of your video or channel's overall popularity. So, we want to make sure that your metrics are high quality and come from actual humans and not computer programs. It takes our system some time to figure out which views, likes, dislikes, and subscriptions are legitimate. Okay? So, dito pa lang, ayan, nasagot na ni YouTube na kung bakit hindi live or na-freeze muna pansamantala yung ating mga video views, likes, and dislikes. Kasi, YouTube just want to make sure na hindi galing sa robot yung mga engagement na nakukuha ng ating channel. Okay? So, YouTube wants to make sure na galing sa actual humans and not computer programs. Yung mga views natin, yung mga likes and dislikes and subscriptions are legitimate. Okay, so may experience pala ako, may naalala akong experience. So, just last premiere ko, last Friday. Hindi pa nagla-launch yung premiere ko, hindi pa nagla-live yung premiere ko. Meron ako na agad na nakuha na 9 dislikes. After 24 hours, guys, binura ni YouTube yon. Kasi invalid talaga siya. So, invalid na hindi pa nga napapanood yung video ko, nag-dislike na agad. So, nabura yun ni YouTube. And yay! So, thank you YouTube for that. And ayun nga. So note, it may take time for your metrics to appear in our system during the first few hours of your video is published. So for the first few hours, hindi agad-agad live update yung views natin. Kasi kailangan muna nilang i-verify or kailangan nilang siguraduhin na actual humans nga and not robots yung mga engagement sa ating videos. So, yun na. Let's go na sa ating tutorial kung paano natin masusolusyonan. So, let's say, masyadong malaki yung difference. Like, for example, sa YouTube mo, 100 views, pero sa studio mo, nasa 500 views na, no? So, meron akong natutunang tricks and tips kung paano natin masusolusyonan. Okay, so una, punta tayo sa YouTube studio natin, ano? YouTube studio, and then punta tayo sa content. Trick number 1 is nandito tayo, di ba, sa ating mga videos. Etong $sign, i-off lang natin around 10 p.m. in the evening until 10 a.m. I-off mo yung ads, walang monetization, para ma-rest yung videos natin. Okay? And kapag normally yung ibang YouTubers ginagawa nila, 2 days nilang ginagawa to. Buksan, i-off nila ng 10 p.m. and then i-on nila ng 10 a.m. Okay? 2 days, 48 hours. Okay? So, pag hindi pa rin, pwede nyong i-try itong trick number 2. Okay? Ito napakadali lang. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-antay ng 12 hours. Alright? So, nandito tayo. Same page. Click mo tong box na to, video, para ma-click yung 30 selected. So, 30 selected, first page lang. Okay? And then, punta ka sa edit, click edit, and then visibility. Visibility, di ba naka-public? I-private lang natin. Private. And then, update videos. And then, tick this box. I understand the implications of this action. Update videos. And maglo-loading yan, guys. So, it will take time kasi bulk update. So, hintayin lang natin.
Few moments later.
So, ayan, okay na, di ba? Ayan, so naka-private na lahat ng videos. So, balik tayo ulit sa taas. Edit ulit. And then, on ulit natin yung visibility. Gawin natin ulit na public. Update videos. So, ganun ulit. We have to wait. So, bulk update, bulk refresh. So, parang i-reverse lang natin yung procedure or yung system ni YouTube. So, napakadali. And then, pag natapos na yung bulk update, second bulk update from private to public, click next ka lang. Kung marami ka ng videos, you can click this next page button. And then, ganun ulit. Ganun pa rin yung gagawin.
1 eternity later.
So, ayun na guys, naging public na ulit. So, double check nyo lang kasi minsan, hindi lahat napapublic. So, kunyari, for example, merong isang videos na still naka-private, pwede nyo namang i-manual yan. So, we have already 2 tricks. So, the next trick na ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung kukontak na tayo mismo sa YouTube customer service. Okay, so for example, ginawa nyo na yung trick 1, ginawa nyo na yung trick 2, pero wala pa rin. Send feedback na lang tayo. Okay, click lang natin tong send feedback. And then, include mo yung screenshots para meron tayong proof. And then, you can type whatever feedback is. And, merong sasagot sa atin dyan na customer service. Okay? So, minsan medyo may katagalan lang, pero sumasagot sila. Nagre-reply sila. That's it for our tutorial. Short tutorial lang, guys. Short tutorial, pero napaka-importante na malaman natin to kasi it's about our YouTube channel. Okay, so, thank you for watching and see you sa aking outro.
So, ayan na, nakita nyo na guys kung paano natin susolusyonan yung frozen video views and frozen video revenues natin, ano. So, hopefully, meron tayo natutunan for this vlog. And kung meron kang suggestion para sa aking next vlog, please comment down. I really need some inputs, guys, because ang hirap mag-isip ng content. Okay? So, thank you for watching and I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. And thank you and I hope to see you on my next vlog and magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Goodbye!